If this is your first visit with us, this is Artist RamyaSadasivam. I've been practicing art, portraits for 13 years now. I'm known for my realism in oil painting and pencil portrait. You can find a lot of pencil portraits and oil paintings of celebrities in my YouTube channel. So this is a portrait study of Trisha, character Nandini from the movie Ponniyin Selvan. In case you like my style of painting, I have an online course for you, a course for the beginners, 15 plus year kids and adults. Course link is in the description section. I am known for the realism I achieve in the painting. I use a technique which gives me tremendous result. In fact, this painting only took me 2 days to finish. And one more important thing is that, let us say you're painting an actress, any actress be it, like Nayanthara. If it does not look like Nayanthara, will you be happy about it? No, right? So resemblance is also a key factor in a portrait. I use a technique to achieve resemblance. You can check all my celebrity portraits. If I do a portrait, it will have a minimum of 90% resemblance to the character I am painting. I use a technique to achieve resemblance, and that is also taught in the course. Indian skin is quite hard to study and achieve. I love to do Indian skin because it is quite challenging. 5 different Indian skins, dusky brown, dark brown, very dark, fair brown and very fair skins are taught in this course. In my channel, you can find a variety of Indian skins. In my course, I have specified the technique that I use to achieve the sensibility and life in all the Indian skins that we see in our real lives. People think oil painting is very expensive and tough, which is not the truth. If you know how to purchase the oil painting materials, oil painting is not expensive. With oil painting techniques, it is very easy to achieve realism. In order to achieve realism, one should know how to draw values. Everything from preparation of canvas until the preservation of the painting is taught in the course. I think it is getting too technical. Let me just stop here so you can enjoy the rest of the painting. Thank you for your time.